So hi Madhipika, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And okay, so please share your interview experience and preparation first. Okay, so it's been 50 classes now, so you got it at 48th class, right? Your job, right? So please suggest us like how you prepared and how you attended the interviews and what kind of experiences you get it.
Yeah, at first I started to prepare by my own, like by watching YouTube videos. Then I got to know about your channel. Then I contacted you, sir. So after that, I joined your class.
Okay.
So before attending your class, I used to watch the videos which you have uploaded earlier. Like,
Huh.
uh, yeah, so that I'll get some idea there, right? If
So
I,
before this one, you don't know ServiceNow, right? From here only you learned ServiceNow.
yeah, I had some knowledge on it
Okay. You are
because I am working on ServiceNow support project.
okay, got it. So that you already had some experience in ServiceNow support project, and then you learnt many things from YouTube channels, okay, our channel and other channels, and then also you attended classes, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah, before attending your classes, we'll be getting to know, right, like what will be the next topic. You used to
Uh-huh.
uh, tell it in the class. So I had to watch that videos and next day I used to join your class so that I'll get, it will
Okay.
be,
So whatever the class we were able to discuss, you before only you were able to see somewhere, maybe my channel or somewhere, and then you be
yeah,
ready, so that it makes the understanding more easier and yeah.
yeah, it will be kind of revision only.
Uh-huh. Okay, okay, very good. So one tip one. Okay. Okay, fine, good. And how about the classes? How much the classes helped you or
Uh, it's 100% credit goes to this class only, sir.
uh-huh.
I wasn't knowing the development things much, so this helped me a lot. Like in the scripting part also, I'm from non-script background, so
Very good. Good to hear now. Okay. So yeah, that is my first set of questions. So how about your interviews? So when you started attending interviews, okay, and how you achieved it initially, what kind of like how your mindset was and how is your mindset now?
yeah. Since I'm working uh, in a company, there is a notice period, right?
Uh-huh.
So before applying e-separation, I had given interview to some company.
Uh-huh.
So uh, like some it was related to project, I mean support project only. The requirement was somehow I got selected, but because of notice period, I got rejected. Then and after that, I had taken risk. I resigned here. Then I started to serve notice period.
Reduce the
Then
notice period
I
and
started to,
during these 3 months you also completed this part, right? Training and that.
yes, yes,
But
and I had attended so many interviews just to get the questions.
uh-huh. Okay, okay. So yeah, that's what my question may be. So in other way, when you attended before maybe this channel, like maybe before classes or after these classes, when you attended, how it was earlier and like what are the tips you can give to prepare like job aspirants? Like I prepared this way, like you got my
Yeah,
question,
first
huh?
of all, yeah, I got it.
Yes.
First of all, there is a video in your channel only. It's about interview only, sir. I don't remember,
Uh-huh.
you
That
know.
is mock interview, huh? Is that mock interview
E-
or interview guideline something?
You were taking interview
Mock interview,
when he had 3
three
years
years
of
experience.
experience. Yes,
Uh-huh.
yes, yeah.
Uh-huh.
So that will give us confidence around 50%. So
Uh-huh. Okay.
yeah, after watching that, I felt like, okay, whatever questions you asked, I was able to, answer it. So I got some confident, like, okay, I can, I have at least, uh, confident to attend the interviews.
Yeah.
Before I wasn't.
And how you prepare it so to get the offer letter because that time your mind is like I know this concept maybe I can try but now you are in a place where you achieved something so you got the job so that means you answered them very well so from this state to this state okay how you prepared. That's maybe helps many people.
Yeah, the thing is we need to, yeah, like you used to give the assignments in the class, right? We have to
Okay, our classes,
practice
you
it.
practiced a lot, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay, good,
in PDI.
right. Uh, okay, good. So from here, okay, so more practice. So one hard question, maybe sorry to ask. You tried by your own or you took any proxy?
I tried by my own, sir.
Okay. So why I ask now? So you want to give any message to people who are looking for proxy kind of interviews for
Uh,
students? This is very important, ma, because okay, yes, no, no, right? No message. Let
no.
them die. Okay. So I think that's it from my side. So students, now our friends will ask many questions. They are very eager to ask. Okay. As I said, please take the precautions and then yeah, you can speak now. Everyone, shoot out.
Congrats, Deepika, on your offer. Um, I'd like to know, like, how long it took for you to get the interview calls, and what was the changes that you have to make in your resume, and what are all the things that you did to receive the calls, like resume tips and job portal tips might be helpful for us as well.
Yeah, yeah. In before I had one page of resume. It wasn't selecting to any other, any company. So I changed my resume to 2 page, and I included my project experience there, and I have uploaded it in uh, Naukri as well as in LinkedIn.
Okay.
So yeah, in LinkedIn will be more effective. Like we will be getting calls, and
Okay.
we can directly connect with them, right? So it will be helpful. I mean, it will be helpful. LinkedIn.
Okay.
Good. Right.
And
Yes, ma'am, please.
one more thing I noticed is uh, I mean, those who serving notice period will get more calls.
That means less notice period if you are
Yeah,
able to get
Immediate joiners.
immediate joiner.
immediate joiners. Yeah,
Yes.
that's true. That's true always. Okay, good.
Okay. Again, another question. In terms of the package, what was the percentage of the package that the companies are ready to offer? I mean, just a percentage. I want to know.
You can tell
It's
your package also, no problem.
yeah, okay, yeah. Now I'm getting 4.3,
Okay, good. And
and
yeah,
uh, I got 8 from one company, 8 LPA,
yeah.
and 9 from one, not 9, 8.5.
Also, very good.
And I have shared this particular offer letter to first company, and now they are okay to give me
Eight,
9.
nine, very good. So
Mm.
eight become 9 and 8.5. So you have two now. Very good.
Yeah.
Anything? You have one more
Yeah, it's in, I
pipeline.
mean, yeah, it's in
So
5.
ask for 10 then. Yeah, good. Very good. Okay, so we have two. Good. Congratulations. Now special congratulations. This this is good. Yeah, ma, good to see the numbers actually. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, please, team, students, friends.
So my question to you is like, what are the topics you focused on? Like, you put emphasis on which topics?
Yeah, in the interview, I used to say like I worked on catalog items, so I used to get more uh, questions on catalog items and workflow. Around 80% they used to cover from workflow itself. And yeah, client script business rule is mandatory thing they'll ask. And yeah, notification, and also one more thing is related to SLA. Though it is one time activity, they used to ask question related to SLA like retroactive and reset.
The basic standard questions from SLA. Yeah, ma,
Yeah,
right. Good.
yeah. In my case, it is catalog items, then client script business rule, scheduled job, then this SLAs, and
Integrations?
I, integration. No, because I I don't have any idea, so I didn't even mention it in resume as well as in the interview. Also, I didn't. I said like I haven't get chance to work on
Integration.
integration.
What is the experience you have kept in your resume?
3 years.
Okay.
Okay. In any of your interview rounds, did they ask you to write codes or share your screen and
Yeah.
Just give me 1 second, ma.
yeah?
Yes. What is the question?
Just want to know, I mean, what was the topics that interview rounds, during the interview rounds, that they asked to share the screen and show us the coding part? In
Yes.
what
Yes.
topics especially? Whether was it in the SLA or catalog scripts, client scripts?
For me, it was on background script, and in one of the interview, they asked me to create a catalog item from scratch. Catalog item, category, and catalogs, everything, and even the workflow. And in the workflow, they started to ask questions while I was creating workflow.
Why this? Why that? Where? Okay.
Uh,
Yeah, got it.
yes, like what? It's related to complex things which you have worked on, like that. She asked. So I answered it because I had worked on one complex workflow. So I was able to answer it.
So were you working on ServiceNow earlier? I mean, last 3 years or last 2 years?
Uh, Actually, 2 years. 1 year I wasn't working on any project. 2 years it's same, like there is no much work, just a
Ad-
sub project.
Was it a a role or a development role, Deepika?
It's a support project.
Support project, yeah.
Okay.
Kind of admin with less coding and activities, ma.
Okay.
See, there is no admin development actually when it comes to project now. What work they give is the important thing. So they don't give more developments, but they give less kind of reporting, user addition, some small like data loads and all. Right, Nama? Deepika?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Right. Any other questions, please? Please cover it, ma, quickly.
Hello, Deepika.
Fine.
Uh, how much did the company people stressed on your experience, whatever you have showcased?
3 years, ma. You said
Yeah, yes. Like how they were asking about her experience, how much authentic it was. Like,
uh no, they didn't, you know uh, like based on experience they didn't ask any complex questions. Mainly they focused on script parts only.
yeah, yeah. Why I'm asking this question is like how much they are stressing on the company or whatever experience we are showing. That's what I just want to know.
No,
Yeah,
I didn't experience that kind of situation.
yeah.
good. Any questions, please?
Sir, can you please talk about it? Whatever I
Ah,
asked.
yeah, sure, ma.
Yes.
Any questions? Any other questions, ma?
Thank you.
That's it, huh? Okay. So see here, main important thing is, okay, what is the last question, ma, you asked? What companies will see from your experience, huh?
How much they will ask about the company, whatever we are showcasing, like whatever experience we are
Having
showing
it. So let's
them.
say I am
That's what
working in some XYZ
stress.
company, okay?
Right,
So will
right,
they ask anything about that company profile?
right.
I don't think so, ma, they will ask. That is unnecessary for them. So what you did the work and how technically you are strong, that way they will ask. Company profile, policies, that and all they don't touch, ma.
And
Will
day-to-day activities also they asked.
That is a common question, huh? What is your day-to-day activities? Yeah.
Yeah.
right, right.
That is
Okay.
the answer, right, ma? Yes, right?
So
Whoever,
definitely they'll be asking what is implementation you have done in your company. So if you say anything implementation that should be related to the company which you have kept as experienced. Let's say I'm working in Verizon, it should be the implementation should be related to the Verizon kind of
but
like it's
we
a
no need to tell about everything. See here, the question, generally, what you did is like what technical things you did. You no need to tell like, okay, this is my company and this is the structure of the company. They have these policies and also what is the work as a project and what you did, what you implemented. So technical way, the question more focused.
So do they check for the authenticity of the company? That's what my doubt was.
For them, not required, ma. See, I am
Yeah.
interviewing for a candidate, na. Candidate, see, like let's say I interviewed you. I want to only see how much technical you are. That is the main purpose. Like maybe they will ask, maybe they are little curious about to know the company. Okay, if I say my company will only have scoped applications, then I want to know why only scoped application. For scoped application, you are making this much of budget to buy ServiceNow and then maintaining the big platform. This way, maybe I'm curious, but I don't want to like why you are following your company is doing what kind of things. Maybe that and all I don't care. We can also hide our client names in interviews, okay, in resumes. We no need to tell our client names. Some pharma, maybe pharma-based company, Navi-based company, medical-based company, IT-based company. That you can telecom-based company. You can mention that also. You no need to expose the client name, but company name you need to explain because that is your payroll company.
Right, right.
Okay, maybe if you want to don't expose that name, just say we should not tell it. It is little confidential. I should not tell. That way also we can hide it. In case if we feel like okay, if we tell it, we will get more questions. Something like that. Got it, ma?
Yes.
Okay. So any other last question maybe? If no, maybe I will review it. Okay. So what I understood from Deepika is okay, she was a ServiceNow employee. She was working for the last 2 years on that platform, but she know the platform first. She know the process and platform. Okay. And then she wants to more go as a technical person. Okay. And then she learned by own and then she seen so many channels. Okay. And then maybe unfortunately she joined my classes also. Okay. So after that she got a confidence. She tried to give so many interviews. So first important note is even though we prepared a lot, okay, if we don't go and attend interviews now we don't learn or we don't know where we are. So attending interviews is very very important. Okay, from here we will get where we are, what we need to still learn more. It will guide you. It is not guide, it's judge. It will judge you. Okay, based on the judgment only we prepare further. Okay, so she given interviews where she got to know many other questions, expectations, everything. That helped her a lot. Okay, and then what she did the best is she kept 3 years of experience. Unfortunately, she have 4.3 lakhs of salary and less notice period. Okay, all these are advantages in this case. Maybe for other case it won't be. Okay, maybe like the last question who asked, no, he have 3 years, 3 months of experience, three months of notice periods. For him it is little odd. Okay, but when we have less okay notice period, na, so obviously they will give preferences. So see, I know one of my one of our batchmate, yesterday he called, he got rejected. So when we get rejected, na, it's not only the technical way. So service portal, do you know service portal? Yes or no? No. Okay, because of this we are rejecting. Is that the only reason? Maybe yes. Okay, maybe no. So they may selected 5 people. Okay, they may consider 5 people. Among 5 people, okay, other person already knew service now, service portal, and he can able to join within 15 days. Okay, or else let's say 45 days. See this calculations, ma. Okay, so he knows service portal. Okay, so he one first guy he knows service portal. Okay, he can join 45 days, and second guy he knows he don't know service portal, but he can join 30 days. Okay, third person who got rejected from our class, okay, maybe he said maybe to 60 days, okay, but no service portal, right? Maybe in this channel they may take this guy, okay, where they can say okay in this 2 weeks of time learn service portal, okay, or maybe they can take this guy where he already knew service now service portal, or maybe last chance. Okay, so don't only see or get frustrated when we lose the interviews. So there are so many parameters. Notice period is one of the highest parameter, and then maybe your current salary, expected salary, and then technical part. I'm not saying it is less or more prioritized, but everything is prioritized. Okay, for our Deepika case, 4.3 is as per industry, service now industry is very less. Okay, and she is expecting maybe she initially told 8. Okay, they are ready to give. Okay, even she asked 9 also they will give. So it came 8 and then it came 8.5 and then now the 8 people given to 9 also. So see here, 4.3 to 9, it's more than 110%, right? If you calculate 1.18 something,
Yeah,
it will come,
more than 100%.
right? 1.2, close to 1.2% it is, 120%. So for them it is none of. Okay, having 3 years of experienced person, and that too, Deepika prepared well. She is able to do the practical things. So Seema, the most important thing here is we need to practice it. That's what I was doing. I was telling from first day. Her interviews went in a way that they given a requirement, they asked to do it, then they asked questions. If she didn't practice with the catalog, she didn't practice our classes like scripting, background script and all, she don't achieve this particular one. Agree?
Yes.
So this is mandatory. Okay, without see everyone now, so 3 years of experience, you are all asking sir integrations, integrations, integrations. So without integration, she didn't. First important thing is her resume. She kept whatever she want to keep. First thing, and she sticked with that. Second thing, and someone asked something like you know this one, she said no. That's it. That is up to them whether they want to take it or not. Many of our batch, you are going with some 3 years experience, 2 or 4 maximum. It doesn't mean like you need to know everything. Service again. Okay. You need to learn everything. Whatever you keep, you should be strong in that. That's what I was telling from first day onwards. Okay. The more questions you see, the more interviews you observe, na, you will be seeing lot of questions. Okay, today someone posted flow designer. After seeing that one, then you will immediately get like, sir, without flow designer, I can't attend interviews. Teach me, sir. So someone will say portal because this person have 7 years of experience. For him, maybe portal is mandatory for that company. Yes, it lost. Okay, but not everything is important for you. When you go with lesser experience, okay, many of you will go with this much of experience. Okay, what you know, if you don't keep integration portal also fine, but what you keep is important, and you have to be very strong in the interviews. Where we mainly lose is we fail to lose there, and then we blame like I didn't know service portal, I didn't know maybe this one, that one, that one, that one. Everything you load from there. It will make your confidence lose and okay. So try with whatever you have it and whatever you kept it in the resume, be strong in that. That's what this example is. Right now, Deepika, you agree to my statement? Is there anything I deviated from your discussion?
No, no, sir.
Okay. So please focus, ma. Okay.